Hey, what's up, guys? So, I am making lemon pepper chicken. Yes, with broccoli and some rice. And let me show you guys the white rice. Boom. I attempted to make yellow rice and sofritos, but yeah, that didn't happen. So this is my white rice in my aroma rice cooker. Please get this, everybody. Please get that. So I cleaned my chicken already, and I cleaned it with, of course, vinegar and lime. Please get into that habit. So now I'm gonna season it. So I have wings here, and I have chicken breasts here. I'm not gonna bread the wings and fry them because the skin is already enough, like fattening in calories. So the chicken breast I'm going to bread and lightly bread. So for this, what seasonings I'm gonna be using: some black pepper, onion powder, complete seasoning, some adobo, some Old Bay, Lawyer's lemon pepper. This lemon pepper is actually really bomb. Garlic powder, and let's see what else I got here. That's it. Yep. So I'll be back. I'm gonna season the chicken up, and I'll show you guys how it all looks. All right, so I have my chickens seasoned, and let me show you guys. Okay, so, and what I did was I flipped it. So front, back. So this, you're just gonna toss it. And I did not season it with lemon pepper just because I don't like the overwhelming taste of lemon pepper. So I seasoned it with all the things that I seasoned, that I told you I seasoned with. And then when it comes to making the lemon pepper sauce is when I use the lemon pepper seasoning. Yes. While you are seasoning this and preparing your meat, you're also gonna put your oil to fry, okay? I'm gonna put it on high to medium, so between 8 and high, because you don't want your meat to burn. Okay, so like I said, the wings I'm not gonna bread these, because the thing with these is since they have skin on it, you can get that breaded feeling, taste from just it being naked. Much healthier, and the taste honestly is just the same, if not better to me. All right, so for our flour, we are going to take this egg and we're going to beat it. I'll show you how to beat it. You take a whisk or a fork and you just go like this. And you're just gonna lightly coat the chicken breast. You're just gonna lightly coat the chicken breast. Yes, honey, I know. I came to slay. Nails by me. Okay. So this is pretty much beat. You only need 1 egg because I'm only making 4 chicken breasts. So that's what I'm saying, you lightly coat it. No salt, no pepper, no nothing.
Now for this part of the video, so I have my chicken wings inside the pot and it's frying. So now I'm gonna lightly coat the chicken breast with egg on each side, lightly. And then after that, you take off all the excess egg. You're gonna just lightly coat each side. Shake the bowl a little bit so everything is evenly covered. And then the other side. And then usually, it's not really good to stuff too much stuff in a fryer because the more air it has, the more crispier and it's more better to fry your meat. It gets actually everything, every piece fried completely. But because I didn't have so much wings, I only had like 4 pieces, I just put the chicken breast in there. Yes, look how crispy my wings came out. So you don't need like a deep fryer. Like, I got this pot from my cousin Wayne. Hey cousin. He bought me this pot. I'm not sure how much it costs or where he got it from, but I'm pretty sure you've seen it before. And it fries my meat so perfectly. It actually fries it more cleaner to me than a deep fryer. But yeah, you don't want to make it too crispy because you're also going to put it in the oven when you coat it with your lemon pepper sauce. When you put it in the oven, it's going to make sure inside is cooked more, and it's going to also cook the outside a little more. So don't overly fry it. You feel me? So now, as you can see, this chicken is actually perfect for some, but my household prefers crispy, well done burnt chicken. So what I did was I cut the chicken in half, the chicken breast in half, using a kitchen scissors, like just one snip down the middle. And I put it back inside the pot so it can fry a little bit. But yeah, after about 15-20 minutes, your chicken breast is usually done. And it's perfect for some that doesn't like it well done. Remember, it still has to go in the oven. And now we're about to make our lemon pepper sauce. So you're going to take 2 sticks of Land Lake's real salted butter. And you're going to take about a tablespoon of minced garlic. And then the seasonings you're going to use is parsley flakes. Of course, the lemon pepper seasoning. You're going to also use garlic powder, a little onion powder, and obey seasoning. That's just going to give it a little more flavor. I don't have any measurements when it comes to seasoning. I literally just throw it all in there, and if you're not used to cooking, just do it lightly with your fingertips. You know, melt it all, mix it together, and then take a spoon, taste it. If it needs more seasoning or salt, do not add salt. Just add more of the obey and lemon pepper. Do not season your food with salt. Like the black pepper and salt thing, you're not gonna find on this channel, bruh. Sorry. So right now everything is pretty much crispy. So we're gonna drizzle a little lemon pepper on it. Then we're gonna take our lemon pepper sauce that we made. Can you see this? Ooh, it already started. And then we're just gonna drizzle it on it. Getting mostly from the bottom, because the bottom has the good stuff. Look at that. Let me fix the camera so you guys can see a little better. You see? And you're gonna glaze it like so. So a huge step that I forgot is when the chicken is almost done frying and you're about to make your sauce, preheat your oven on 350, 360. And after you're done frying the chicken and glazing it on both sides with the lemon pepper sauce, you're going to garnish it with parsley flakes and then put it in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes, just so the chicken can cook a little more and the juice can sit inside the chicken. Look how delicious that looks. And this is how it came out. So my white rice, this is my wings, broccoli, and then this is his plate, his rice, broccoli, and his chicken breast.